All right, guys, question number 4. Special right triangles. We should be getting pretty good at these. So remember to use special right triangles whenever you see 30, 60, 90 or 45, 45, 90. So this one's just more fun because we have kind of more triangles to figure out. So it's like a puzzle. So we're technically looking for this X right here, right? And I know eventually I'm going to use 45, 45, 90 because this is 45, this is 90 on the biggest triangle, which means that this must be also 45. So that's a 45, 45, 90 triangle. But to get there, I need to figure out what one of the legs is, right? One of the legs, well, both of the legs will be the same because it is a 45, 45, 90 isosceles triangle. But how do I get that leg? So if I knew one of the sides of this triangle, I could figure out that leg, but I don't know that yet. But I do know the leg of this small triangle. So because, let me pick a different color here. Because I know that this is 30 and this is 90, I know that this is 60 and this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And because I know that this is 90 and that this purple angle was 90 and that was 60, this must be 30 so that those two add up to be 90. That's they're complementary angles, right? And then this must be 60. So in this question, I'm going to use both my knowledge of a 30, 60, 90 triangle and my knowledge of a 45, 45, 90 triangle, starting with the 30, 60, 90. So let's use blue for this first triangle. So if I know this side of the triangle is 7, and I know, I'm looking at the smallest triangle now, I know that that is the smallest side because it's across, it's opposite of the smallest angle. Then my rules, which you should have written down in your notebook, and please mark those, be marking all of these that you're doing for the test so it's easy to find. I know that the hypotenuse, or the longest side of that triangle, is going to be double that. So if the smallest side is 7, then the hypotenuse is going to be 14. Now, the hypotenuse of the small triangle is actually the smallest leg of the next triangle. So that means I know if this is 14, then this side of the medium-sized triangle is going to be double that, which is going to be 28. And 28 is the leg of that 45, 45, 90 triangle, or actually both legs. And then to get to the hypotenuse, you take 28 and you just multiply it by square root of 2. Okay? Easy peasy. Watch the other video and remember, look at all of the practice problems and your notes that we have done for this.